Guys, I'm Shine the Scientist and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And today we are going to make a baking soda explosion. All you need is Dawn soap, vinegar, a container, baking soda, some measuring cups, and my best ingredient is food coloring. So let's start this experiment. The first thing you need to do is have 1 teaspoonful of baking soda. Now let's do this. And now we're going to use the vinegar, and the measuring is 1/3. And I have tried this experiment multiple times, and it literally fizzes up like soda. And now, wait for it. It fizzes up like soda. And now we use 1 drop of Dawn. There we go. And now I will use my food coloring. Now we just shake. And now thank you for watching Shine the Scientist. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And Shine the Scientist out. Bye!